Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's session. I hope all of you are doing very well. So, what are we learning today? Today, we are diving into a very new world, a world of animals. Are you all excited? I am very excited because I love to study about animals and I love animals too. So, let's start. The world of animals. This is the chapter 3 of your textbook and it is the world of animals. What are we focusing on in today's session? Types of animals and where do animals live? Animals कितनी तरह के होते हैं और वो एक्चुअली कहाँ रहते हैं? There are different kind of animals. Animals बहुत तरह के होते हैं in the world. Some animals are big, some are very small. So जब हम आसपास देखते हैं, जैसे आप different तरीके के हो, आप किसी की हाइट लंबी है, किसी की छोटी है, कोई बहुत फैट है, कोई बहुत थिन है, कोई बहुत बिग है, कोई बहुत स्मॉल है. ऐसे ही जैसे हमने पढ़ा था कि प्लांट्स भी डिफरेंट शेप्स के हाइट के होते हैं, कोई बहुत बिग होते हैं, टाइनी होते हैं, वीक होते हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं. इसी तरीके से एनिमल्स भी होते हैं. कुछ एनिमल्स बहुत बिग होते हैं, कुछ बहुत टॉल होते हैं, कुछ बहुत टाइनी होते हैं और कुछ सुपर टाइनी होते हैं, कुछ मीडियम साइज के होते हैं, कुछ फैट, कुछ थिन. सो some animals are big and some are small. Some are friendly, some are wild. So कुछ animals बहुत friendly होते हैं और कुछ बहुत wild होते हैं जिनसे हमें बहुत डर लगता है. So let's see what are the types of animals. We can see big animals like tigers, lions, bears, zebras, elephants and giraffes in the zoo. Alright, so have you ever been to a zoo? Zoo गए हो कभी? Yeah, I have been to a zoo many times. Actually, I go to zoo every year with my children, with my students, and I love watching tigers, bears, zebras, elephants, giraffes, wolf, sometimes rabbits, crocodiles, and I just love watching them. And we can see all these animals in one go in a zoo. So I must tell you, if you haven't gone to zoo till now, tell your parents to take you to zoo. Okay. So all these animals have 4 legs. Now what are the big animals? Let's name them together. Giraffe. It is the tallest animal. Giraffe, zebra, lion, tiger, bear, elephant. All these are very big animals. And do you know which is the largest animal in the world? Whale is the largest living animal. तो व्हेल एक ऐसा एनिमल है जो सबसे बिग है, सबसे लार्ज है. सो विच इज द लार्जेस्ट एनिमल, लिविंग एनिमल? इट्स अ व्हेल. ऑलराइट. नाउ अभी हमने पढ़ा कि इतने सारे बिग एनिमल्स हैं, जिराफ, बेयर, टाइगर, लायन, एलिफेंट, बट कुछ एनिमल्स स्मॉल भी होते हैं. सो सम एनिमल्स आर स्मॉल, जैसे dogs, rabbits and cats are small animals. Then most birds, insects and worms are also small animals. Have you ever seen a caterpillar or an earthworm? It is so tiny and it crawls on the ground, on the leaf. It is so tiny. The insects like butterflies, bees, grasshoppers, all of them are so tiny. And butterflies are so colorful. Also, Many of you must be having dogs at home, cats at home as a pet. Few of you might be having parrot at home or fish in the aquarium. All these are small animals. So there are few animals like dogs, cats, rabbits, which are small. Insects are small, birds are small, and the worms are also small. So let's study about each one of them separately. Birds. What are birds? Who are birds? So there are actually various kinds of birds around us. When you look around, when you look in the sky, you see pigeons flying, parrots, sometimes eagle. So all these are birds. Crow, sparrow, myna, all these are birds. Then there are birds in the water also, duck, swan. So how do we know that these are birds? All the birds have a beak. So let's draw along. All the birds have a beak. They have two wings. So my drawing is not very good, but I love to draw. So they have two wings, two legs, and feathers all around their body. And they have feathers all around their body. So a bird has a beak, two wings, two legs, and feathers are all over their body. Most birds can fly with their wings. So ज़्यादातर birds तो fly करती हैं अपनी wings से. And कौन सी birds हैं वो? Kingfisher. It's a beautiful blue bird. Kingfisher. Crow, pigeon, parrot, all the birds chirp around and they sound so melodious. Chirping of the birds, it sounds so melodious. So all these birds can fly with the help of their wings. But कुछ birds ऐसी भी होती हैं जो fly नहीं कर पाती और वो सिर्फ hop करती हैं या walk करती हैं या run करती हैं. So कौन सी birds होती हैं जो fly नहीं कर पाती? Birds such as penguins, and ostriches. So this is the ostrich. It is also the largest bird. इतनी बड़ी होती है कि वो fly नहीं कर पाती. अगर वो fly करेगी तो इतना बड़ा सा कुछ ऐसा लगेगा कि sky में fly कर रहा है. तो it is वो मेरी height से भी इतनी tall होती है. So it's the largest bird and it cannot fly. And they cannot fly. So two birds which cannot fly, penguins and ostriches. They can walk and run. They can walk and run, but they cannot fly. And some birds can swim in water. What are those birds? If you have seen in some pond, there are beautiful ducks, and sometimes there are small ducklings going with their mama duck and they swim in water. So birds such as ducks, swans can swim. They can swim. Alright, so there is a question for all of you. Who is the national bird of India? Yes, so peacock is the national bird of India. It's a beautiful big blue color bird, and it also it cannot fly very high. It flies but बहुत short height के लिए वो fly कर पाता है क्योंकि वो भी बहुत big bird है. उसके इतने big feathers हैं तो इतने big feathers के साथ वो भी fly नहीं कर पाता. So birds which cannot fly, penguin, ostrich, birds that can swim, duck and swan, national bird of India, peacock. Very good. Now let's learn something about insects. Insects, कीड़े मकोड़े. What do we call insects in Hindi? कीड़े मकोड़े. अब insects होते क्या हैं? Insects animals ही होते हैं जो बहुत small होते हैं. So insects are small animals. All insects have 6 legs. All insects have 6 legs. So repeat with me. Insects have 6 legs. Some insects have wings to fly. अब कुछ इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं जो फ्लाई करते हैं, बट कुछ इंसेक्ट्स ऐसे भी होते हैं जो फ्लाई नहीं करते. सम कैन स्टिंग एंड बाइट. कुछ इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं ना जो हमें बाइट कर लेते हैं और इतना पेन होता है. हनी बीज, द स्टिंग ऑफ अ हनी बी, इट इज सो पेनफुल. सो दे आर वेरी हार्मफुल ऑल्सो. सो सम insects can sting, they can bite us, but some insects are very sweet. They are very harmless. They do not sting or bite us. So while others are quite harmless. Butterfly is an insect which sucks nectar of the flowers and it looks so colorful and beautiful. Have you ever seen a butterfly? Yes, on flowers in garden. They look so, something colorful flying on over the flowers. They look so beautiful. Grasshoppers, they hop like this on the grass. They are just green, beautiful green in color. Cockroach. Cockroaches are found in your houses. They are the pests. They are found in your houses and they are the insects. Housefly. Housefly is found in your homes. They sit on dirty places. It's a very dirty insect actually. So it sits on the dirty places. सब गंदी गंदी जगह पे फ्लाइज बैठते हैं और बिल्कुल मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता कि हमारे घर में कभी फ्लाइज आ जाए. सो ये सारे जो इंसेक्ट्स हैं इन सब की 6 लेग्स होती हैं. सो इंसेक्ट्स होते तो इतने स्मॉल है बट 6 लेग्स होती हैं इनकी. Some insects can fly whereas some just run about. Now we have done 3 types of animals which are big and small, then birds and then insects. Now have you ever wondered, कभी सोचा है कि एनिमल्स रहते कहां पर हैं? हमें ऐसे रोड पर हॉर्सेस, एलिफेंट्स, लायन, टाइगर्स ये तो नहीं दिखते हैं. तो ये रहते कहां पर है? इनका घर कहां होता है? सो लेट्स सी. सम एनिमल्स लिव ऑन लैंड. वो धरती पर ही रहते हैं, लैंड पर ही रहते हैं. जैसे कि हॉर्सेस, काउस, कैट्स, ये सब लैंड में रहते हैं. लैंड में कहाँ रहते हैं? जंगल्स में रह सकते हैं, शेड में रह सकते हैं, फार्म्स में रह सकते हैं, जू में रह सकते हैं, बट लैंड के ऊपर ही रहते हैं. ओके, सो विच एनिमल्स लिव ऑन लैंड? हॉर्सेस, cows, cats, elephants, dogs. So all of these, they live on land. Let's see where what are the more places where they live. Before that, let's scratch our brains and revise a little bit. How many legs do cockroaches have? I'm waiting for the answer. Yes. Very good. 6. Most of you have replied correctly. So, how many legs do cockroach has? 6. Name a bird that cannot fly. Penguin. Some of you are saying ostrich. Very good. Penguin, ostrich. Awesome. Now let's see what other places do animals live. कहाँ? एक तो हमने देखा कि कुछ एनिमल्स लैंड पे रहते हैं. अब कुछ एनिमल्स और कुछ एनिमल्स कहाँ रहते हैं? Some animals live on trees. कुछ एनिमल्स का जो हाउस होता है वो trees होता है. कौन से animals होते हैं वो? Animals just such as monkeys, squirrels, they live on trees. Very good. So, animals which live on trees, monkey, squirrel. Animals that live on land, tiger, lion, cow, horse, elephant, and many more. Now, some animals live in water. Yes, some animals live in water. If you get to go on a beach side ever, you will find a lot of animals there. Along the beach, you may find fish, small fishes, crabs. So, what animals live in water? Crabs, fish, prawns, dolphins. They all live in water. So, repeat with me. Animals that live in water: crab, fish, prawns, dolphins. Awesome. But you know, some animals are so talented that they can live both on land and in water. So वो दोनों जगह रह सकते हैं. वो लैंड पर भी रह सकते हैं और वो वाटर में भी रह सकते हैं. कौन से होते हैं ऐसे एनिमल्स? Some animals live both on land and in water. Animals such as crocodiles and frogs, they can live on land as well as in water. So which are the two animals that live in land? They live on land and in water both. Crocodile, frog. Crocodile, frog. Very good. Now, what have we learned in today's session? What new words have we learned in today's session? Wings. Wings are those body parts of birds or insects that help them to fly. जैसे हमारे बॉडी पार्ट लेग्स होता है, हमें वॉक करने में हेल्प करता है, ऐसे ही बर्ड्स की और इंसेक्ट्स का बॉडी पार्ट विंग उन्हें फ्लाई करने में हेल्प करता है. ओके, व्हाट इज एन इंसेक्ट? इंसेक्ट इज अ स्मॉल एनिमल दैट हैज 6 legs. Okay, so what important points did we cover in today's lesson? हमने क्या क्या कवर किया आज के लेसन में? There are different kinds of animals. Some are big and some are small. Birds are animals with 2 legs and wings help them to fly. Also, birds have beak. Some insects have wings to fly. Animals live on land, trees, and in or near the water. So let's assess yourself and see how much have you learned from today's session. Now you have to tick the correct answer. There are 3 pictures given here. You have to tell me that which is the big animal. Out of these, which is the big animal? Is parrot a big animal? No, it is this small. Is cat a big animal? No, it is this small. Is tiger a big animal? Yes, it is this big. The bird which cannot fly. A sparrow. It has wings to fly. A pigeon. It has wings to fly. A penguin. It doesn't have wings to fly. Those much developed? No. So a penguin cannot fly. Which animal out of these 3, which animal lives on trees? Zebra? No, it lives on land. Frog? It lives on land as well as in water. Monkey? Of course monkey lives on trees. It keeps on swinging on the trees. So monkey lives on trees. This animal lives in water. Does squirrel live in water? No, it lives on trees. Does butterfly live in water? No, it mostly lives on flowers. Does fish live on water? Yes, it lives in water. So it's a water animal. Great. Okay, so let's fill in the blanks. Dogs, rabbits and cats are small animals. They are small animals. Also, they are land animals. Most birds can fly with their wings. Ducks and dash can swim. Which other bird can swim? Ducks and swan. Insects have dash legs. How many legs? 6 legs. Horses and elephants live on water? No, they live on land. Okay, so now you have to answer the rest of the questions yourself. Answer the following questions. Write 2 examples of big animals. I'll just give you a hint. Elephant, giraffe, bear, lion, tiger. You can write any. What are birds? I drew a picture for you. A bird has a beak, wings, 2 legs and feathers on their body. 2 animals that live on land as well as in water, crocodile and frog. Okay, so now there are some fun activities that you can do yourself with your classmates, with your friends, with your parents and have fun with this chapter. I hope you have learned a lot from today's chapter and enjoyed this session as much as I did. Keep learning, keep shining. Bye-bye.